In this lesson, we are going to read through the cooking poultry, minced meat and liver topic in the template food control plan. This is one of the magenta-colored cards in the making and cooking section of the plan and is page number 59. What do you need to know? Cooking foods thoroughly kills harmful bugs. Mincing meats means that any bugs on the surface may be spread through the product. Minced meat products need to be thoroughly cooked. You and your staff do not need to take the temperature of thinly sliced poultry and livers or formed minced meat, for example, pieces of chicken in stir-fry, sliced liver, or mince patties. Livers can be contaminated with bad bugs both internally and externally, so need to be thoroughly cooked. MPI have developed guidelines to help with the safe cooking of livers. Use the link provided or scan the QR code to access the information. Cook poultry, which includes chicken, duck, livers and minced or finely ground meat including such as sausages and meat patties to specific temperatures for a set amount of time to make sure they are safe. What do you need to do? Always use one of the following time-temperature combinations if you cook poultry, minced or finely ground meat or livers. Internal temperature. Minimum time at temperature. 65 degrees Celsius, 15 minutes. 70 degrees Celsius, 3 minutes. 75 degrees Celsius, 30 seconds. Use a calibrated thermometer to check that the center of the thickest part of the poultry, minced meat, or liver has reached one of the time temperature combinations above. You and your staff must either record the temperature of at least one item from each batch every time you make it, or prove your cooking method works by following the Proving the Method You Use Works Every Time card. After cooking poultry, livers and minced meat, serve the food immediately, or keep the food hot, that is, keep it above 60 degrees Celsius until it is served. Follow the Keeping Food Hot card, or rapidly cool the food following the rules in the Cooling Freshly Cooked Food card. If you are reheating cooked poultry, livers, or minced meat, follow the Reheating Food card. What do you need to show? Show your verifier records of how you and your staff safely cook liver, poultry, and minced meat. Record the following: the food cooked, the date it was cooked, the temperature the food was cooked to and how long it stayed at this temperature. If you can prove your cooking method works, show your verifier records required from the Proving the Method You Use Works Every Time card.